Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can convert numbers, like that one here for example, into words in your Google Sheets spreadsheet or document. It is very simple guys, so let us show you how to do that. Head over to your document on Google Sheets, and for this you will need to have access to an extension here in Google Sheets. If you haven't done that yet guys, you may install it by heading over to extensions here at the top and by selecting add-ons, and here to the right by selecting get add-ons. After that, use the search bar here at the top and type in number text in one word, just like that. Select it below and use or select the first search entry here. As you can see, I have already installed it, but you can do that as well guys by left clicking on it and by installing it here. After that, waiting for the installation to be processed. It should be really simple and quick. And after that, once the extension has been added to your Google Sheets account, you may simply head over to the cell where you'd like to convert your number into a word. So let me go, for example, with that corresponding cell here next to that number. Double click on it and enter the command equal and then number, or if you see already the suggestion number text below, select it with your left mouse. And after that, select the given number with the cell you would like to convert. So let me go with 33, just like that, and close the parenthesis and confirm the command by pressing enter on your keyboard. And after that, the number text will automatically transform your number into word 33 here, as you can see, and you can do the same with all the remaining cells. Again, press enter the given cell and give the command equal number, just like that. Select number text, select the given cell with your left mouse, close the parenthesis, confirm by pressing enter. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.